Concepts are usually the easiest source to identify and address. There are two ways concepts can be a source of conflict. The same concept may be used differently by two or more disciplines, or different concepts may be used to describe the same phenomena, even though the disciplinarians don't realize it. Once we've identified conflicts in concepts, we can use redefinition to create new terminology that reduces these conflicts. We will learn more about redefinition and some of the other strategies in the next lecture. Table 9.3 is an example of how different concepts are used by different disciplines to address the same phenomena or the same problem. Reading from top to bottom and left to right, we can see that cognitive psychology has at least 3 relevant theories and 3 different concepts related to the problem of suicide terrorism: special logic, displacement, and indoctrination. Political science has at least 2 relevant theories and 2 concepts: strategic choice and strategic logic. And cultural anthropology has at least 1 relevant theory and 1 concept: religious communion. Separately, they each provide just 1 view. Collectively, they show us different angles that will eventually lead to new meaning, better understanding. Again, charting our research in this way helps us see these themes and patterns, a process that is essential to developing our own insights.